Sparkles, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring something stylish, smart, and super functional. Genius wall hanging shelves ideas *** that can instantly transform your home. If you've been looking for clever ways to organize your space while keeping it elegant, these ideas are just what you need. Wall hanging shelves are more than just storage. They're a design statement. Imagine floating wooden shelves in your living room that not only hold books but also showcase decorative vases, candles, and family photos. This instantly creates a cozy yet modern vibe. For bedrooms, wall-mounted shelves are perfect for saving floor space while adding character. Try geometric shelves in hexagon or triangle shapes for a creative twist. They're not just shelves. They're art pieces on your walls. If you love minimalism, sleek floating shelves in neutral colors can give your home a clean and calming look. On the other hand, rustic wooden shelves with metal brackets are ideal if you want that warm farmhouse charm. Let's not forget kitchens. Wall-hanging shelves can make your kitchen more practical and stylish. Open wooden shelves above the counter are perfect for neatly displaying mugs, jars, or even indoor plants. It keeps essentials within reach while looking aesthetically pleasing. Another genius idea is corner wall shelves. They use up the otherwise wasted corners of your room and turn them into functional, beautiful storage spots. You can style them with books, plants, or small collectibles. And for those who love creativity, try ladder-style hanging shelves *** or rope-hanging shelves. They bring a unique personality to your home and become a focal point that grabs attention. Whether you want modern, rustic, or artistic styles, wall-hanging shelves are versatile and budget-friendly. They're the perfect way to blend organization with decoration.